Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be reviewing the new virtual joystick in Infinite Flight. Finally! Let's just start straight in. By the way, like and subscribe please if you want to watch more of these type of contents, if you like aviation. So yeah, let's start with the 777 at KSFO runway 19 right. I already tested it and it's super good. So like the beta is already so good, like so realistic. I don't think they fixed the clouds though. Like the clouds still look bad, I think. Yeah, orange. Ew. So flaps 15, park brakes. We can start our takeoff roll by now probably. Yeah, like the thrust and rudder is here now. I don't know about this, right? But oh well, it's not bad. I like the old thrust more, but it's not bad. So V1 rotate. This is like basically RFS, like RFS, probably better physics, and it looks better than RFS. Oh. Look at that shot. Oops. What's the wind looking like? Ooh, please. Phew.
1,000.
I don't care if I
1,000.
Yeah, basically what you expect with like virtual joysticks.
1,000.
Super good. Way more like easy for people who like are not used to like the tilt. They are basically new. But people who are used to the tilt, like before, they like just have the rudder at the same area over here, like below autopilot and the like throttle like in the left of the view. But now they changed it. And also when you do the like pitch, really wing flex. So like when you do the pitch, it used to be like like a step. Basically I do it here and leave it, it's stuck on 89% like pitch. Like yeah, it was pretty bad, but now they fixed it. Like the orange thing in the throttle area is basically the reverse thrust, and the red thing is the brakes. This is pretty good, like way more easy. Wait, let me do the tilt real quick. Flight control, tilt. Yeah, like this is way harder. Probably more realistic because it's basically like moving a joystick. But yeah, I prefer the virtual joystick right now, I guess. So yeah, super good. Like what you would expect from like this. Like oh my, oh. Let me load the control. Wait, normal, okay. Like super good. Wait, let me short final. I don't know where I will land me.
100.
See, like
50,
much like way
30,
more easy to control.
20.
Oh, ow! Not Swiss 001. Like braking and reverse thrust is pretty hard, but like overall, I'd say it's a pretty good update. So yeah, thank you for watching. comment if you want to see anything else. I don't know anything else, so you comment any video ideas you want. So yeah, thank you for watching.